everybody, welcome back to my channel once again. Now today I'm doing my second video on this little car. Now I believe it's called the Coke can car because it fits into a Coke can. Let me just show you a little bit about it. Here we are. So now I've got it, so I hold it by the antenna so here we are. It's extremely small compared to my hand, and my hand is kind of big. And it's got 4 channels, I believe, which is... No, actually, I think technically it's 2 channels now. We've got a little remote here, and at the top, as you can see here, you got the antenna thingy where you gotta screw it in. See? Now, after that, you got to you gotta put the antenna up again. Then, now, this thing, it charges off the remote right here. Now you see, got the blue plug. Here we are, blue plug. And then, but the problem about this is it needs 2 AA's. You need to supply 2 AA's, otherwise you can't use it at all. And that's pretty much it. But you just got to turn on the car down here. Oh, and here's where you charge it from, by the way. Got a bit of power here. Power. It's got okay-ish turning, and you can kind of align it here if it's not where you want it to be. So we've actually got front lights when you go forwards, and also back lights. And yeah, I haven't got turning lights, unfortunately, because that would be... I don't know, that'd be kind of hard, actually. Alright, let's yeet this boy down and let's try him. Whoop. Oh, it landed. Now we're on carpet, so it's kind of hard. Oh, man, come on. Actually, I'm going to try it on the desk, actually. Now, I forgot to say, it's not really an off-roading thing. An off-desk thing. So it's kind of like those drift racer car thingies where you have got to kind of, you can do them on your desk. So here we go, I've got it now. I've got some power. Let's put the cones down. Oh, did I forget to, I forgot to mention the cones. It's got the cones here, as you can see. Cone flip. Now, we've got 4 cones, except this one fell down on the ground when I attempted cone flip. It's actually quite fun. Aww. It fell off. Mission failed. We'll get him next now. Oh no, what happened? Now, I've already kind of broken off the wing because I'm a horrible driver. Oh no, someone stepped on it and the wing just broke off. That cone. Let's try and get this boy off here. Oh, come on. Oop, yes. Oh no. Oh no, please help. Oop. Alright, so this, you can actually kind of mod these. I don't want to mod it because I don't want to mess it up and kind of break it because I've never done it before. Ah, no. Oh, I suck, honestly. I'm really horrible at this. But the thing about it, the thing I hate about this version is, if you look on the tyres, it's got absolutely no grip whatsoever. It's just flat tyre. It's like, got no grip, so that's why I made a little track for it, which I haven't got with me at the moment, because I'm at Granny's. So yeah. And it kept on sliding around because the track was slippery, and it was just normal it was just foam board with some marker on it and a bit of, so it wouldn't really work. So and also it was a little too small, so that would be part of the fact. And I wasted money into that track. I bought grass. I legit bought some grass for the car, for the track, for the layout. And I gave all walls and all that, sponsors. So what a waste of time. I mean, at least it got me off my electronic stuff. But this is electronics. That's what she said. Another cone is off. Let's try and get all the cones off. Now today I can't really show my face because I had a bit of camera trouble because I've actually done a couple versions of trying to do this. And what happened was, because I have it on my face, the camera facing to my face, when I go to drive it, I can't actually, I can't swap it to the car, and it's extremely hard, so I have to actually collide a few videos. So this is hopefully my good one. If you're seeing it, then it is. Yes. What is... Oh, she's out of battery. Oh, that's a bit unfortunate. Oh well. Oh, it's not. What a lie. Oh, it is actually. Yeah, right. Well, it is a heap of fun. Like, honestly, you should get yourself one of these. They're kind of cheap. They're like $11. If you want, I'll put the link down below in the description. So yeah, it's like, I don't know, like around $11 kind of. So yeah, thank you for watching once again, and I will probably see you in, I don't know, nowhere. No, never. Goodbye.